My Damaraland. Glimmer goud lokkend, dansend uit die nag speel sy spieelbeelde in vroegmôre dag. Harde koolhoute en bruin gebrande berge, diep spoorduine en weggesteekte water. Beskerm, beskut, woestynbewonerdiere, martel en mergel, maar voed ook, en vestig. Grasgeel en vaalgroen haar rok en haar hare, warrelende winde dans haar lag oor die velde. Uitgeput kom sy tot rus in laatmiddagkoelte. Prisma pastelle, pink tot pers, voor sy haar toevou in nagkombers.
First in vision, sound and the written word. For all, also for those that cannot see and hear. DNS grabs your heart. Die Namibskryf, the brainchild of a Namibian woman with a passion for the literature. Die Namibskryf is a platform where upcoming and aspiring writers from all over the world can publish and share their creations on Facebook and the social media. The platform was established on the 24th of August 2018 and was an immediate hit. Today, 6 months later, they already have more than 673 members with 2,983 contributions on the internet and over 42,600 reactions or otherwise known as likes. This is proof that despite the fact that we live today in a very visual world, the written word is still popular and will remain popular for generations to come. Today, the Namibskryf has 423 members in Namibia and 316 members from South Africa. We also host members from all over the world, from countries such as Germany, New Zealand, Zambia, Botswana, Switzerland, the United Kingdom and France, just to mention a few. About 45 writers have their own Facebook DNS writers page with their followers, and each member is also linked with the main page of the Namibskryf webpage. On Facebook alone, there are more than 10,000 daily followers who log in every day to read what our members have to offer. One of our members, Johan Miller, has reached up to the date more than 138,000 people. More proof that what we are busy with truly works. So why the Namibskryf webpage? Well, the purpose of this webpage is to give every single writer, and specifically those in Namibia, a platform to publish their Afrikaans creations or literature for everybody on this planet to read. We are proud to be Afrikaans, and we want to share our culture and our language with the rest of the world. So how will we do this? Namely, with the creation of an e-book and the Namibskryf contributions, prose and poetry by our writers. Also, we want to publish a coffee table book. We'd like to also take Namibskryf and make sure that they are part of the Omaruru Art Festival held at Omaruru in August 2019 this year. We are already being broadcasted weekly by Channel 7 and sharing our poetry with listeners of the country and worldwide on Channel 7's online website. We are reaching out to our pensioners and share our poetry with them by means of an evening of reading at various retirement homes. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we want to create a visual DVD sharing our poetry in a totally different format and expression. Die Namibskryf, home of those who love Afrikaans and literature.
Hallo Namibia, ek is Marai en die Namibskryf is my baba. My droom is om 'n DVD te vervaardig, propvol van die mees ongelooflikste gedigte en stories oor Namibië in Afrikaans, soos die 2 voorbeelde wat op hierdie DVD verskyn. Maar ek het jou hulp nodig. Indien jy of jou organisasie wil bydra tot die kostes van hierdie absolute eerste van sy soort produksie in Namibië, kontak my asseblief. Geniet die res van die proeseltjie.
Soos 'n bloedbelope oog van 'n ondier, verrys die maan en laat sy bloed die rivier vol vloei. Stadig aan verkleur rubyrooi na ougoud en dan raak die bloeiende waters stroom van gesmelte goud. Die swart silhouet van 'n seekoei wat gaap met druppende vlamme uit sy bek, wat dan terugval in die smeltkroes van goud, word als in 'n oogwink teruggekleur in grys en silwer. Dis volmaan in die Kavango en die biduiltjie vra om verlossing.